Today, we are going to learn about verbs. What is a verb? A verb is a word used to describe an action, a state, or an occurrence. It tells us what someone or something does, is, or what happens. Examples: She runs every morning. He is very happy. The sun rises in the east. Why are verbs important? Without verbs, sentences would not make sense because verbs show what is happening or what someone is doing. Types of verbs: 1. Action verbs. 2. Stative verbs. 3. Transitive verbs. 4. Intransitive verbs. 5. Auxiliary verbs. 6. Modal verbs. 7. Linking verbs. 8. Regular verbs. 9. Irregular verbs. 10. Finite verbs. 11. Non-finite verbs. 12. Phrasal verbs. Let's learn them in detail. 1. Action verbs. Action verbs express physical or mental actions. Examples: run, jump, write, think, eat. Sentences: She runs every morning. I think about you often. 2. Stative verbs. Stative verbs describe a state or condition, not actions. Examples: love, know, believe, seem, own. Sentences: I believe in hard work. He owns 2 cars. 3. Transitive verbs. Transitive verbs need an object to complete their meaning. Examples: bring, make, buy, write, eat. Sentences: She wrote a letter. They bought a new phone. 4. Intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs do not take a direct object. Examples: sleep, arrive, go, cry, sit. Sentences: He slept peacefully. They arrived late. 5. Auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs help the main verb to form tenses, questions, or negatives. Examples: am, is, are, was, were, has, have, do, did, will. Sentences: She's dancing. They have finished the work. 6. Modal verbs. Modal verbs express ability, possibility, necessity, or permission. Examples: can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would. Sentences: You should study hard. He might come tomorrow. 7. Linking verbs. Linking verbs connect the subject to additional information about it. Examples: am, is, are, was, were, seem, become, appear. Sentences: She is a teacher. They seem happy. 8. Regular verbs. Regular verbs form the past tense by adding ed. Examples: play, played, clean, cleaned, talk, talked. Sentences: He played football. I cleaned my room. 9. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs form the past tense in different ways, not by just adding ed. Examples: go, went, eat, ate, write, wrote. Sentences: She went to school. He wrote a poem. 10. Finite verbs. Finite verbs change according to the subject or tense. Examples: eat, eats, ate. Sentences: She eats an apple. They ate lunch. 11. Non-finite verbs. A non-finite verb is a verb that does not show tense, number, or person. It cannot be the main verb of a sentence on its own. Instead, it functions as a noun, adjective, or adverb. Types: infinitive, gerund, and participle. Examples: to eat, eating, eaten. Sentences: I like to eat chocolate. Eating too much is unhealthy. 12. Phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are made up of a main verb plus a preposition or adverb. Examples: give up, look after, break down, call off. Sentences: he gave up running. She looked after the baby. Quick practice. Identify the verb type in. She is a nurse. Answer: linking verb. Which one is a modal verb? A. Eats. B. May. C. Run. D. Swimming. Answer: B. May. What is the difference between transitive and intransitive verbs? Transitive verbs need an object. Intransitive verbs do not. Choose the irregular verb. A. Played. B. Cleaned. C. Went. D. Talked. Answer: C. Went. Pick the phrasal verb. A. She ran fast. B. He gave up. C. They eat dinner. D. I sleep now. Answer: B. He gave up. True or false? Non-finite verbs do not change according to the subject or tense. Answer: true. Find the auxiliary verb in. They have finished. Answer: have. What type of verb is thinking in? He is thinking deeply. Answer: action verb. Fill in the blank with a regular verb. She dash the homework yesterday. Answer: finished or completed. Which is a stative verb? A. Jump. B. No. C. Drive. D. Bake. Answer: B. No. Summary. Verb. Word used to describe an action, a state, or an occurrence. Types: action, stative, transitive, intransitive, auxiliary, modal, linking, regular, irregular, finite, non-finite, phrasal.